So this is lot number 62. This is an Ikea queen bedroom set. Comes with the bed. It is the Leroy. It has the slats, the fronts, the sides, the back. It's got two small little nightstands with two drawers. And it has a 6-drawer chest. Looks in good condition. Not sure what the holes are there in the back. Oh, that's where you tighten it up. It's white. The only thing I see is it has a small little damage right there, which is no big deal considering you'll probably have the sheets over it. There you go.